All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking this video out, and I appreciate all the positive feedback on the last one about the car. And yeah, so I'm really enjoying it. Ever since I got it back from Race Proven Motorsports, the car's been great. It's been running good, and I've been having a lot of fun with it. So as you've seen in my last video, I recently got one of those GoPro 360 cameras, and it's amazing. It's really, really awesome, and I'm slowly learning how to use it. And I got some crazy rig for it that sits on the back of the window on the back of the car, and it seems to be working really well. So a lot of people were DMing me and messaging me about what mount I was using and how I was getting it to work and everything, but figured I'd just do a video on it. And you can't laugh at me because it's really, really unique, to say the least. So first off, I got this dual suction cup mount from Delkin off Amazon. It works really well. Once these things are locked on there, it ain't coming off. Then I got this pole right here. It's called an invisible selfie stick. It was like 15 bucks, Amazon. It screws right onto the mount and it's not going anywhere. So the problem I was having was, once this is suction cupped on the car, this pole right here would pivot on this ball and socket, and then the wind would just push it down. So I put some zip ties in the bottom of it. This way it can't move and won't lower on me. So it's not the prettiest, but it works. And so this selfie pole had two positions, all the way in, all the way out. It was a pain in the ass. So I just used some duct tape to get it to the perfect length, and I put the camera right on there. That's pretty much it. So I plan on doing a lot of content with it. So if you guys like the 360 stuff, let me know, comment down below, and there will be a lot more of it. So I even did my first run with it on the back of the car, and it seems to be doing really well. But this video is just a bunch of clips of the 360 camera and some random stuff I figured I'd put together for you guys. Actually, I got a couple videos from the dyno run when RPM was tuning it, and they were nice enough to send it over to me. So keep an eye out for their channel when they put the video out. Should be soon. So yeah, if you're not, I mean, I'm sure you are. They don't need my help, but if you're not following them, go check them out on YouTube at Race Proven Motorsports, and you know, they got a really sick channel over there. So without further ado, here's the clips. Enjoy the 360 driving and pulls, and enjoy the dyno. So thanks a lot, guys.